Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 air horns. I got like 6, but I got a lot of them. So yeah. But this time, this is what all 3 sides look like this time. I got the orange one out this time, so yep. It looks like blue last time, but now I got the orange one out, but it has the same name on it. So yep. Anyways, these two are, but this one is a Horn 70 horn. This one is a yellow party air horn. So yeah, it's really cool. So yep. And then I got, this is my small one right here. This one is my medium one. And then this is my small one. This is my medium size. This is the biggest horn ever seen. This is my big horn. Wow, but this thing is heavy too. Right, it's pretty big. Wow. It can be heard up to 1 mile away, so it could be heard up to miles away. So yeah. I do love orange air horns. The reason why I like them, because I like the orange ones from Walmart app. So I order it from Walmart app, and these two might be ordered from also Walmart app. So, but this one right here, I got it for Amazon. But this one can be, I don't know, I forgot. Maybe I must have got it for Walmart app. So, anyways, yep. So, am I gonna sound off these 3 at once? So, but I'm not gonna sound off all 3 because I don't know. So, I think I might be able to sound off this one, the medium size right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and sound this one off, and I'll sound off the rest of it for later. So let's do this. Alright, I got like all 4 air horns. We're gonna blast all 4. But I didn't bring my big air horn because I put it up because I want to sound off that big air horn later. But this time we're gonna blast all 4. So let's start off with this one. Alright, so next is this one. So, alright, we're gonna sound off this one next. And then the last one. Oh. There. Alright. That's all we have for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace out.